Western Sydney, at the Old Creek. My dad drove there. The day was hot, summer. Me and my brother, he was 8, and my dad. My dad had a blue fishing rod. He bought it as a surprise. He took me to teach me how to fish. I hadn't done it before. My dad felt something on the string. It was really strong. It nearly put him in the water, but my dad fought it and caught the fish. A big brown fish with black on it. It held it and wriggled. I felt weird. The fish smelled gross, and I was scared. It was gonna slip away. I asked Dad to throw it back. I felt bad and it was smelly. The scales were sharp. I didn't want to eat it. It was really awesome. I felt the adrenaline and it was a really good adventure.